At BatteryEVO, our newest line of inverters have been updated with an optimized internal temperature reader. These sensors have been fine-tuned and are designed to kick on when your inverter detects an internal temperature of 55 degrees Celsius or higher. To install a new temperature sensor board to your inverter, follow the following steps. First, and most importantly, make sure that your Walrus battery and inverter are disconnected from the grid and powered off to avoid electric hazards. Disassemble your inverter and you'll find the first sensor in the front left corner. Reach in with a screwdriver to disconnect it, being careful not to let the screws fall inside the inverter where they'll be hard to reach, as you'll need to reuse them for the new sensors. Pull the sensor off the connection cable, bend the prongs into place on your new sensor, and reconnect it. You'll find the second temperature sensor in the back right corner of your inverter. Follow the same steps you did to remove and replace the first sensor with the second one. Disconnect the connection cables from the fan control board and remove it from your inverter. Replace it with your new fan board, screw it in, and connect your cables from your sensors to the board. With the new sensors and fan board installed, your Walrus inverter is set to keep everything inside cool and under control. For more information and DIY tips, check us out at BatteryEVO.com.